Hello, good afternoon. Welcome. This is Jamb here. 2014 government pass question. Question number 9 says unitary system of government is more suitable to a dash to a country dash. Unitary system of government is more suitable to a country dash. Option A says that is fairly populated. B says that possesses a strong and modern army. C. With a robust and dynamic economy. D. With a relatively small area and homogeneous population. And when we talk of unitary states is small country. So what related to the is can say small. So option D is correct. Thank you and kindly subscribe for more of our videos.